Welcome. If you open your apps in floating mode in your HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro 5G, at first you have to open one of the applications. For example, you can go for the gallery, then click right here and select this icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see right now, this application pops in this floating mode. We can also minimize this one, make it smaller or like an icon. Then we can open, for example, settings, and then open it here. And when we hold it down, we can move it like that. And I just wonder how we can resize this application. Probably we cannot. We can just only make it bigger. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.